Welcome to DaVinci Academy, where we unravel the mysteries of science. Today, we're diving into an unexpected topic: why humans are less diverse than chimpanzees. This is a question that challenges our perceptions of diversity and evolution. In fact, the genetic diversity in humans is one of the lowest among all primates. This question challenges our understanding of human evolution and diversity. Let's explore this intriguing topic. Imagine this. Humans display a kaleidoscope of features, diverse skin tones ranging from ebony to alabaster, a vibrant array of hair colors including auburn, jet black, chestnut, and platinum blonde, not to mention the multitude of eye colors and shapes. Now, shift your gaze to chimpanzees, our primate cousins. They present a more uniform appearance with primarily black fur. This creates a fascinating paradox. Despite our wide range of physical appearances, genetically, humans are less diverse than chimpanzees. Intrigued? Let's explore how this counterintuitive fact holds true. One key to this puzzle lies in the bottleneck theory. This lower genetic diversity in humans is thought to be the result of a bottleneck event that occurred about 50,000 to 100,000 years ago, during which the human population was drastically reduced. Research indicated that the human population could have been as few as a couple of hundred people, or, at most, a few thousand. As a result, the genetic diversity was also reduced, and even as the population has since expanded to over 7 billion people, the level of genetic diversity has remained relatively low compared to other species. However, what caused the bottleneck? Various hypotheses have been proposed for what caused this bottleneck. These include catastrophic events like volcanic eruptions, climate change, disease pandemics, or a combination of these factors. Research indicates that around 70,000 years ago, the Toba super-volcanic eruption likely caused a significant reduction in human population. The Toba super-volcanic eruption was the largest known explosive eruption in the Quaternary period. It was located in the northern part of the Indonesian island of Sumatra. It released an enormous volume of ash and pyroclastic flows. Some estimates suggest an eruptive volume of up to 1,400 cubic miles. This is approximately equivalent to almost 12 times the volume of Lake Tahoe in California. The eruption was intense and completed within just 9 to 14 days, depositing a significant ash layer across the Indian subcontinent and other regions. Although the Toba eruption undoubtedly had a significant global impact, its effects likely varied across different regions. The severity of its impact would have varied based on geographic location and ecological circumstances. While the eruption may have affected some primate populations, especially those in closer proximity to the eruption site, others might have been less impacted due to ecological resilience or geographic isolation. It is hypothesized that humans were significantly affected by the Toba eruption due to geographical location, ecological resilience, and specific habitat needs. The bottleneck theory is also supported by studies of mitochondrial DNA and the Y-chromosome. Mitochondrial DNA is inherited exclusively from the mother. On the other hand, Y-chromosome DNA is passed only from father to son. Studies on both mitochondrial DNA and the Y-chromosome show less variation than expected across global populations, suggesting a dramatic reduction in the number of both men and women at some point, indicative of the bottleneck event. This severe reduction in population size resulted in a loss of genetic diversity. When the population eventually expanded, it did so from this reduced genetic base, meaning that present-day humans are genetically less diverse than might be expected for a species with such a large global population. Chimpanzees, in contrast, didn't experience such drastic bottlenecks or migrations. It is hypothesized that they were less significantly affected by the Toba eruption due to geographical location, ecological resilience, and specific habitat needs. Their populations remained larger and more stable, preserving a greater range of genetic variation. For instance, the genetic diversity within a single group of chimpanzees can be greater than that of the entire human race. The genes responsible for traits like skin color, hair color, and eye color represent a very small portion of our DNA. Much of our genetic diversity is in DNA regions that aren't directly responsible for our visible traits. Therefore, even with relatively limited genetic diversity, small changes in certain genes can lead to noticeable variations in physical appearance. Reduced genetic diversity in humans has profound implications. It does mean that our evolutionary potential may be more limited compared to chimpanzees. It also impacts our understanding of diseases and how we respond to environmental changes. It's important to note that while our genetic diversity is lower, humans have developed an incredible range of cultural, linguistic, and physical diversity. While this diversity may not be reflected in our genes, it is a testament to human adaptability and creativity. So there you have it. Humans are less genetically diverse than chimpanzees, and it can be explained by the bottleneck theory associated with the Toba eruption. This reduced diversity shapes our understanding of human evolution and our place in the natural world. What are your thoughts on this genetic journey? Share your views and stay tuned for more enlightening discussions at DaVinci Academy.